All right, so these are all the rods out of the Ranger. Got them cleaned up and just went through 564, 564, 564, 564, 564, 564. It's almost like I did this on purpose. There we go. That is close enough for the little Chinese scale we've got here, because I don't know that chasing much more than that's going to help. I'm going to go ahead and do the pistons the same way, and then when everything is assembled, we're going to do the entire piston rod assembly with rings again too, but this is just going to make our life easier. All the rods are 564 grams now. Getting the rods hot here so we can get them onto the pistons.
That's good.
So prior to this, we went ahead and balanced all the pistons like we did the rods last night, so they're all the same weight.
There's only one piston that's all the way done so far.
I see that.
So Ian is getting rings on pistons here, and Chris stopped by to hang out, and he is running Ian through how to do this. And I'm working on getting all the rod bolts set. Okay. I'm ready whenever for you to push it all the way down. Keep going. A little more. There you go. I'll get the rest of the stuff on there.
Okay. Go ahead and get the cam plate put in here. And we'll look at the torque spec real quick and get that torqued. Alright, so got it together here, and we're going to go ahead and get them all put back together with a little bit of ultra torque. Go ahead and torque them down. So if you don't have a gauge for rod stretch, ARP says 35 foot-pounds for these. And we'll move to the next one. Go ahead and do this one next, since it's right next to it and I can get to it nice and easy. All right, there we go. 6 more to go. And last up, let's put the oil pump on here. Alright, this one's gonna grab that one. That'll about have a short block this thing finished up for right now. I'll get going, I get some heads on it. And we did take the cover off, that's been primed, so it's packed full right now. That is, there's like a little reinforcement rib back there that stops you from getting a good bite on it with a closed wrench. There we go though, it's on. So, no need putting the pickup tube on at this moment. It's just going to hang down in our way until we're ready to put the oil pan on. But that, rods, pistons, camshaft, that's some pretty good progress right there. Next video we should be able to get the heads on this thing, maybe get the bottom end buttoned up, get the timing cover on, and be getting pretty close to putting it in that Ranger.